Okay, so another example. So we have a 500-pound block resting in a smooth surface when it was pushed horizontally by a 50 Newton force at a distance of 20 feet in 3 seconds. So determine daw the power in horsepower and kilowatts. So meron daw tayong smooth surface. May surface tayo dyan. And meron tayong block. So meron daw tayong block which is equal to 50 pound. So yung block na daw yun, itinulak daw siya. So yung block na daw yun, it was pushed by a 50 Newton force. Tapos, nag-accelerate daw siya. So, nag-accelerate daw yun yung block na yun. So, yung block, nag-accelerate. Wait. So, nag-accelerate daw yung block na yun dahil dun sa force at a distance of 20 feet. So, nag-accelerate daw siya at a distance of 20 feet sa loob ng time which is equal to 3 seconds. Now, pinapahanap is yung power in terms of horsepower and in kilowatts. So, ito yung figure natin. Kung napapansin nyo, hindi consistent yung units natin. Kasi ito naka SI, tapos ito naka English. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, fit is naka English. So, therefore, may i-convert muna tayo dyan. Ang mas madaling convert natin dyan is itong English gawin natin na SI. So, first, convert 20 feet. So, di ba, ang kailangan natin din doon is naka-meter. So, based sa conversion natin, 1 meter, that is equal to 3.28 feet. So, yan yung conversion natin. So, 20 feet, i-multiply natin siya, feet nasa taas, therefore, yung conversion natin, feet nasa baba. Divided by 1 meter. 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. So, that is equal to how many meters? So, gamitan ng calcu, 20 times 1 over 3.28. So, that is equal to 6.097 meters. 6.097 meters. So, meaning yan yung total na na-displace niya. Ito yung gagamitin natin na distance para sa formula natin. Now, solution, sulat yung equation, power is equals to work over time o kaya force times distance over time. So, power, what is force? Force natin is 50 Newton. So, 50 Newton times distance na displace natin. Ito na yung gagamitin natin. Naka-SI. Naka-SI na to since naka-meter na siya. Kaya nga natin i-convert. I-convert muna. 6.097 meter divided by yung time natin that is equal to 3 seconds. So, Newton meter per second, that is equal to watts. Okay, calculator. $50 times 6.097 divided by 3 seconds is equal to 101.616 watts. Pero ang pinapahanap sa atin is naka-kilowatt. So, i-convert natin 1 kilowatt, that is equal to 1,000 watts. Okay? So, therefore, yung answer na to, which is 101.616 times 1 kilowatt, how many watts? That is equal to 1,000 watts. So equal is equal 0.101616 pero naka kilowatts na siya. So yan yung unang sagot natin which is naka watts. Now, pinapahanap naman is yung naka horsepower. Naka horsepower. So power is equals to itong gamitin natin yung 101,616 watts times conversion natin. Ano yung conversion natin? 1 HP that is equal to 746 watts. Okay, so 101.616 times 1 HP is equal to 746 watts. Press equal, that is equal to 0.136 horsepower. So, power natin is equal to 0.136 horsepower. 0.136 HP. So, yan na yung sagot natin.